Welcome in the competitive examinations world. Many parents and students, those are interested in civil services examination, they have often doubt in their mind that which is the ideal time so that we can start our civil services examination preparation. And for those students, we have this special course. This is a 1 month workshop for civil services examinations preparation. This entire workshop will be conducted on virtual plus manual guidance scheme. Total duration of this course is of 1 month, where net hours we are going to complete, that is 50 clock hours. What you are getting in this course? It is giving the fundamentals of all topics that are there for civil services examination. That means we are discussing about history, national freedom struggle, geography, physics, chemistry, biology, environmental science, economics, political science, that and some basics of arithmetics, then general mental ability, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, data interpretation, decision making and problem solving, along with that interpersonal communication skills. So like that we are going to discuss in 50 hours. The course will be both first virtual, that means in front of you a screen will be there and these topics are cleared, and then onwards doubt solving on basis of that. So like that 1 month course is there. In that course 2 practice tests will be there. That is to get your idea that how questions are asked, what are the types of questions, and what are the tricks that tricky questions are there, or tricks to solve the tricky question. All these things are associated here. So you will get practice of this all. Within 1 month we are conducting out these 2 tests. The first 15 days only study, and after that 2 tests will be there, and at the end of course the 3rd actual test will be there, and that is of 100 marks test. Obviously it is all objective type test. Your right answer will give you +1 mark, but wrong answer will deduct 1 mark from your score. So every wrong answer is having penalty that your score will be deducted by 1 mark. So we are talking this way, that right answer you will get +1 mark, wrong answer you will get -1 mark. If you are not attempted, then obviously 0 mark, no penalty is there, so 0 mark. And like that we have to appear for test. So this is a really challenge for you. What are the advantages of these courses? Just I am telling few advantages. Out of that, the first thing, once you enter here, you will get idea, the level of examination, the way questions are asked, how we have to solve different type of questions, and the most important thing, that how to study out. Then we have personality development part also included, introduction of that personality development part in the course only. And so we will get idea that the way we have to develop our personality. All these things are there in this course, where we have duration that is of 1 month duration. This course is ideal for those who are there in 8th standard, 9th standard or 10th standard. For them this course is useful. Even when you are finishing out this course, you will get variety of things what are there in today's syllabus also. Not all things, but variety of things you are getting. And then your approach to the exam, that is changing out. Your approach for study, that is changing out. And therefore this course is beneficial for your academic study as well as for future planning, how to study out for that purpose. Now the most important thing, what are the fees you are going to pay for it? it is just 3000 rupees plus GST. So at time of you are paying the fees, whatever the GST is there, that is additionally applicable over here. So this is one month course. For more detail, you can call on this number, that is 922-184-9650.